Stratify AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's the best AI software to boost your digital marketing efforts, you're in the right place. This review will cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about Stratify AI, so you can make an informed decision on whether it's right for your business. Stick with me until the end, because I'll reveal the best ways to get the most out of this software, and even a special offer you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. First off, Stratify AI's main selling point is its ability to simplify and automate your marketing tasks. Whether you're running ads, managing content, or optimizing your customer journey, Stratify uses AI to reduce manual work and increase efficiency. It's like having a full marketing team at your fingertips without the overhead. One of the standout features of Stratify AI is its predictive analytics. It doesn't just tell you what's happening right now. It predicts where your campaigns are headed, helping you make adjustments before things go wrong. If you're spending money on ads, this is a game changer. No more wasted budgets on campaigns that don't convert. Stratify AI also brings deep insights to your customer data. It segments your audience with pinpoint accuracy, allowing you to target specific groups with tailored messaging. This isn't just about sending generic ads. Stratify helps you craft personalized experiences that resonate with each individual. It's a powerful way to boost conversion rates without having to guess what your customers want. The user interface is clean and intuitive. For a new AI software, this is crucial. You don't need to spend hours figuring out how to use it. Stratify AI is designed so that even if you're not a tech expert, you can jump right in and start optimizing your campaigns right away. It's simple but powerful, making it perfect for business owners and marketers who want results fast. Another major feature is its multi-platform integration. Whether you're using Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or other platforms, Stratify AI allows you to manage and optimize your campaigns all in one place. This saves a lot of time and effort, ensuring you're not jumping from one platform to the next just to make updates or view reports. Let's talk automation. Stratify AI takes automation to the next level, helping you schedule posts, optimize ads, and even manage your email campaigns, all automatically. This allows you to free up your time for more important tasks, while the software handles the repetitive aspects of your marketing. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Stratify AI is completely scalable. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a large company with complex needs, this software grows with you. As your business expands, Stratify can adapt to handle increased data and more sophisticated marketing strategies. Now, if you're interested in giving Stratify AI a try, I've left a link in the description where you can get started with a free trial. But before you go, make sure to check out my list of other recommended AI tools down below. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I can confidently say these tools are some of the best for digital marketers today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your marketing and take your business to the next level. Go ahead and give Stratify AI a shot, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.